Old MacDonald had a farm.
Old MacDonald had a...
Hey, not that old.
Sorry. Middle-aged MacDonald. The MacDonalds had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm there was a
cow!
With a moo-moo here and moo-moo there. Moo-moo. E-I-E-I-O. A baby cow.
Excuse me,
Oh,
but a baby cow is called a calf.
sorry. And a baby calf. Moo-moo. And a baby donkey.
Baby donkey is called a foal.
Okay. A foal. And a
Piglet.
piglet.
Oink, oink.
E-I-E-I-O. The McDowells had a farm.
Meow, meow.
E-I-E-I-O.
Meow, meow.
And on that farm there was a cat.
Meow, meow.
You're not a farm animal. Woof, woof. And a dog. Woof. No cat.
Meow, meow.
No dog. No.
That silly dog keep on chasing that silly cat. Aha.
Oh, look, a bus.
Remember, kid, this ain't like the simple life. It's real. Hi.
Howdy. What can I do for you there, lad?
It's Scotty, and I'm here about the Craigslist ad and the ad for the farmhand.
Oh, yeah, that's right. I'm McDowell. John McDowell. This is my,
Well, ain't you just the cutest?
welcome to our farm. This is our dog, Big.
Hey,
Sorry about that.
you doing? So, what jobs am I going to do?
Well, you gotta feed all the baby animals. But when you go in, just be careful. That mama cow is real protective. She might even die.
Ah! I'm stuck.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, there's some heavy lifting too. You gotta put up all the hay in the barn.
Here you go, Scotty. Ah, so glad there's a motor to lift this stuff up. It's really heavy.
No, you have to do it by hand.
What do you mean I have to do it by hand? What's that mean?
Like crank. Bye.
Funfa. This is so dangerous. Leaning out here to wind it up. Whew. Oh, it's such hard work.
Meow, 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 meow.
Farming is not just about all the animals. There's maintenance as well. There's been some strange noises coming from that attic. Just be careful with that matter. Bit sentimental to me.
Easy.
But, hope you don't spook too easy. You know,
We go.
you never know what you're gonna find up there.
Really high. Okay. Just reach across. Reach across. Beep. Whoa. 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 What's up? Whoa. 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 What's up? Got it. Yay! So, is there anything else?
Of course there is, Sonny.
Well, come with me and we'll get started. So what's your name there, Sonny?
It's Scotty. Okay, Scotty.
So, Sonny, ever been on a farm before?
It's Scotty. And first time.
Well, okay, let's just wait here then. Okay, Scrappy, working on a farm is easy.
It's Scotty.
Just waiting here for the farm boss, okay?
The what now?
The farm boss. You know, the person in charge of the farm.
The farm boss. Okay. Who are they? It's very short. Oh well, don't judge a book by its cover.
Hello there. Hi. This is Scooby. It's Scotty. I'm Fun Boss. You look familiar. Have we met before? I have a sister in construction. Twin sister, in fact. So, Spooky here is
Scotty.
the new farmhand. I want you to sort out the hay and load it on the trailer. We need 4 circles and 1 rectangle. Large rectangle, that is. Okay, 4 circles, 1 rectangle. Drive the tractor and put them on, you do know, wait, you can drive a tractor?
Sure, just like driving a bulldozer.
All right then, Scooty, we'll see you for tea.
Oh, that's a big tractor. Woohoo! That's so cool. Let's open it. Oh wow, that's a cool tractor. Hey, it's got a.
Hey,
Huh?
it's my
Who
job.
said that?
It's me, Danny. You know, I'm the one who took that stuff. That's my job. Go do that.
Who said that?
It's Danny. I already told you my name.
Oh, it's you.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, let me do it.
No, it's my
Come
job.
on, I don't want to talk about the tractor.
No, I talk.
Come on, let me talk.
No, you get away from the tractor. It's my job.
All right, but it's so cool.
Yeah, get away from the tractor. Get away.
that.
Get away from the tractor. Go on.
How cool is this? Look, there's an engine. There's even a hood for an engine. Look at that engine. Look at that hood. Isn't that cool? Look at this. It opens. It closes. That's so cool. There's an engine. It's a big engine too, isn't it? Yeah. It's so big. So, you think there's a door? Well, there is a door. There's one door. But guess what? There's more than one door. There's 2 doors. Huh? How about that? There's 2 doors. They open and they close. Pretty neat. Look, there's even a knob. You turn it. It turns. Both left, both right, both counterclockwise and counterclockwise. Counterclockwise, clockwise. Or is it anti-clockwise? I don't know. I always have this debate. What does it do? There's even a trailer hitch. You turn the knob and it goes up, it goes down. This one's going down. So let's send it back up. Let's sending it up. There's a trailer hitch and it goes up. See how you turn it? It turns. It's pretty cool, right? Pretty cool. Now look at this. Do you see something cool? Look, there's a secret compartment in the roof. You open it. There's a hole. And there's a steering wheel that you stick in. Look at that. It's like a steering wheel on the outside. But what does this do? Let's have a look. Let's come down. Look. It goes in. Goes into the steering wheel. You turn the steering wheel. It's like you're driving the truck to yourself without being a little person. With the wheels. They can turn. Or just they can turn. You can make them turn. That's right. Look, there's even suspension. Isn't that cool? Suspension on a tractor. It goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up. The suspension. And look, even the wheels come off. How cool is that? You can pretend to change all the wheels. All the wheels come off. But what's this cool thing? Yeah, it goes on the front. You see that? That thing there goes on there. How cool is that? Hey, how about we put it on? Let's do that. Been upgraded. How cool is that? See, look at this. See the hydraulics up and down. Isn't that cool? I think that's really cool. And look at this. You can move the bucket up and down. And this lever makes the bucket rotate up and down. Look at that. It's moving up and down. You see it? You want to see it closer? Let's see it closer. And look. You can open the bucket. So you can grab things. Like my finger. Ah! That was a joke. Ha ha ha. And look at this. Things up really high in the air. Isn't that cool? I think that's really cool. Let's look at it again. Oh, that's so cool.
Okay, first things first. Let's get this trailer sorted. Let's put this thing up. Little help. Oh, good job. All right, let's do the back one. Okay, since you already know how they go up, how about we just, click our fingers and make them go up. 1, 2, 3. Wow, look at that. Wasn't that fun? Cool, that. Hey!
Now I need your help. Let's have a look together. First off, we need 4 circles. I only see 4 squares. And 1 rectangle. Well, there's small, medium, and big rectangles. No, it's a large one. What do you mean large? Large is another word for big. Okay, 1 large rectangle. Coming up. You want to have a better look from up here? Then let's look together.
Can you see the circles? Where are they? They're where? Can you see the circles? I'm not sure. Where are the circles? They're over where? No. Over there? Oh yeah, there is circles on top.
Those squares are now circles.
Yay, we found it. All right, let's get the tractor and pick them up.
And now TV Magic will put it in the right spot. Yay!
So how do I pick these up? Nope. 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 Oopsie.
This will be easy. Ah, come on. Ah, God. Son of a... Ay, ay, ay. Yippee! How about we do some movie magic to fix this up? Alright, that worked great. I wonder if that will work on the other ones. Here's trying. Oh yeah, it worked alright. Let's do it again. Alright. Wait, is it 3 or 4? I can't remember. How many is it again? 4. Oh, 4. It was 4 circles. Look at that. 4. Alright. Yoo-hoo! Now to back the tractor up and hook up that trailer. Beep, beep, beep. Good work, Scotty.
Well, hey, boss. Ah! I'm okay.
Are you sure you're okay? You fell.
That's how I normally exit a tractor.
So you finished right on time?
Mm-hmm.
Great.
Yep, I finished it all. 4 circles and 1 large rectangle.
That's right.
Yee.
I'll take over now. Get to drive the tractor to the new farm.
Okay, you take over and I'll
walk back, I guess? Okay.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.
Yay. Now, which way back?
So very tired. Can't go.
Oh, would you look at that? Young spaghetti here, all tuckered out.
His name is Scotty, dear.
In the bed, finally.
Will Scotty the new farmhand last another day? What chores will he be doing tomorrow? Your guess is as good as mine. Stay tuned for another exciting episode of Mr. Kimber's Toys.